my spooky babes and ghouls? So today we're gonna be filming a Resident Evil makeup tutorial. As you guys know, that new game came out recently and everyone's all hyped up about the vampires in it. So I'm gonna recreate one of the vampire daughters. I mean pretty much like this makeup tutorial will probably be for like all of the daughters, I guess, technically. But I mean, since my hair is black, I will be, which one was it, Cassandra? I think, the one with the black hair. I don't remember their names. I know it's Bella, Daniela, and Cassandra, but I think Cassandra's on the black hair. I haven't actually played the game, but I have watched some gameplays and some clips of the game, so yeah. Also be recreating Lady D as well. You guys keep an eye out for that video, of course. So I did do some crafts for this video. I actually made the necklace. I was just gonna get like random things and put together a necklace, but I want to like actually recreate the necklace, so that's what I did. I will have a separate video for it, so keep your eyes peeled for it. It'll probably be posted later this week after I post this video. I also did make the scythe for this video as well. I went all out for this, you guys. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I actually made it. It's not perfect, but I mean, I'm pretty proud of it. So I will also post a video along with this one. I'm not sure if I'm going to be putting these two together or separately, like separate videos, but we'll see. They will definitely be posted after I post this video, like later within the week. So let's dive into this tutorial now. So I already did my face makeup, I already did my foundation, my eye primer and powder. We'll be moving on to contour next, and I wanted to show you guys that on camera. Also, if you guys noticed, I did my nails. I don't know if they have like long vampire nails in the game. I didn't really pay attention to that, but I felt like that would add like a cool effect, you know? Some of these cool spooky vampire nails. I was watching Dark Shadows the other day and I really liked Barnabas's nails, so I had to do something like that. Okay, so we'll be diving into the Lunatic Cosmetics contour palette, and I'll be diving into the cool shades of the palettes and contouring my face. Kind of want to go for like a sharp contour, very vampiric. It'll probably be covered up by blood anyways later, but I still want to contour my face because, you know, I feel like it doesn't add to like that vampire effect. Okay, so next I'm diving into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam 2 palette. And I'm diving into the shade Tempera and dusting it all over my eyelid to create a base. And next I'm diving into the shade Dusty Rose and brushing it along my crease up here to create some depth. Okay, so next we're diving into the shade Incense, and we're going to be brushing it along the outer edges of the eyelids and a little bit onto the crease as well. We're going to blend it up into the crease. Next we're diving into the shade Dreamer, and I'm applying this onto the inner corners and also my eyelid as well, a little bit towards the center, just to make that area look a little bit more brighter. Now this is where the fun starts. So now we're going to be adding some black eyeshadow underneath my eyes, and for now I'll be playing it and blending it, trying to make it look a little messy. Of course, later I'll be adding like streaks with like an eyebrow brush. I'll be like adding little streaks. Okay, so next I'm using the KBD Beauty Anti-Precision Liner. I'll be using it on my waterlines and probably smudging it down just a little bit into the black eyeshadow that I had just previously applied. Okay, so next I'm going to do my brows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Powder in Granite. Okay, so next I'm going to be drawing on the emblem on my forehead. And I know they do make like tattoos. I saw them at Etsy. I'll probably leave a link down to one of them, but I would kind of thought about getting that just to make it easier, but I was like, I don't know, like, it's like, probably better if I just hand draw it, maybe. I mean, it would be a lot more easier, better if I bought a tattoo, but also, I also want to try my hand at, like, recreating the tattoo, so we're gonna do that. I like making things hard for myself, so let's do it. If you guys want to draw it on, then go ahead and I guess try to follow along the picture, my tutorial, or you can get a face tattoo. Not a real one, but like one of those little like transfer ones, you know, the water ones, yeah. But I'm gonna be drawing that on. I'm gonna be using some black eyeshadow on a small angle brush and probably a small detailing brush for blending. I might even go into some eyeliner, I'm not sure. My hands are a little shaky, so I don't know if I want to go in the eyeliner, but I'll try to do my best with the black eyeshadow. Okay, so next is lipstick, and I'm using the Lime Crime liquid lipstick in the shade Black Velvet, and I'm playing it all over my lips. Okay, so now I'm applying some blood spray. I got this at the 99-cent store. I'm pretty sure you can find this at like most like Halloween costume stores where they sell Halloween makeup, most dollar stores probably. Also, it's nearing Halloween, so you guys might be able to find some of these. And I was just spray this around my lips and probably like down here. I want to go for like a blood spatter look. Also, like how they look like. They have like it's a bunch of like blood like all around their mouths and just biting and all the blood just squirting into their mouth. So yeah, this is the fun part, you guys. I threw on a different shirt because I didn't want my dress getting wet or like stained because it has like the white collar on it. So I didn't want to get stained. So I just threw like a random shirt I don't care about. This is getting messy, you guys. I think I'm gonna use a brush to brush out some of the blood because it's not spraying on like how I want to. So this is like a foundation brush, and I'm just gonna dab it on like that. There's blood everywhere, you guys. It's like on my legs, on my floor. It's a huge bloody mess in here, you guys. It's almost like a place where a vampire was feasting. Okay, so I'm gonna change into my costume and I will be right back to you guys. Alrighty, you guys, so that is it for today's makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is part of my Halloween makeup tutorials. I do a series of makeup tutorials every year for Halloween, and of course I had to do the vampires from the Resident Evil game that just recently came out. And I'm really happy with how this turned out, actually. Like, I think I did a pretty good job, you guys, honestly. Let me know down below in the comments if you think so. If you guys do follow this makeup tutorial for this look, make sure you tag me on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. So that way I can see y'all's beautiful faces and repost it onto my stories or retweet it or whatever. I did put in some hard work for this look, you guys. I had made the scythe and the necklace as well. I made these out of clay and the sound of foam. I'll be showing you guys in the video I do post up later this week on how to make these. I do like going all out for my Halloween videos and even making accessories and props for them as well. If you guys have been following me for the past couple of years, and you guys know that already, I do like to go all out for my makeup tutorials for Halloween. So make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also make sure you turn on those post notifications so that way you guys get notified whenever I do post a video, where you guys can stay up to date with my Halloween makeup tutorial series. Also make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for more awesome content. I'll have my social medias linked down below in the description box. Denise Draven as always. Also make sure you do check out my Depop for some really cool clothes. I'll have it linked down below in the description box. I also do have an affiliate link with Good Molecules, so make sure you check that out. It's down in the description box as well. It's not a code, it's just a link, so if you guys click on it and buy something from it, then I will make some commission from it. But I really do like their skincare line. I use it every day and I just love using it, and it makes my skin feel nice and beautiful. So that'll be it for today's video, and I hope you guys have a safe and wonderful and spooky day. Bye guys!